we're back here on the property again. We're going to do a little update here on the house, and it looks like they got quite a bit done. So let's go take a look at it. Well, as you can see right here, this is the house, and looks like they've already got the second floor already up, but they haven't started on the walls. Now next to us, they did start on the walls. Go down here real quick. Check out the inside. Oh, got the back window right over there, and of course you got the two doors, one for the CR and one for the CR, the bathroom on the left, and on the right goes to the back where you do your laundry and everything else. So, looking good out there. Coming along really good. And we are still looking, we're still looking at a July finish date, with possibly turnover in August or early September. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Okay, so this guy right here is our next door neighbor. He's up there working on it. Not our neighbor, but one of the workers. And I love watching guys work with hollow block and cement. I grew up with doing that. My grandfather was a mason. Now this is back at my house. As you can see, they're handing up the hollow blocks, and they don't use a crane here. They unload the truck by the side of the road, which I didn't get much video. I didn't get any video of that. Sorry about that. But then they carry it down to the house and lift it up. Doesn't seem very efficient to me, but I guess it is a good workout. Supposedly they will be working on the walls this week. Hopefully they'll start getting them up, and then they'll start working on the inside and laying the electrical and stuff like that. That looks like a corner post. I'm not real sure. I am not a construction worker, so I don't know, but it looks like a corner post, maybe part of the load-bearing wall. Sorry about the shaky camera work here. I was slipping on the gravel. So little shaky camera there. It was also very hot today when I did this. It was really extremely hot. I did get some aerial footage of the build. There's not a lot to look at, but in mid-flight my drone started acting stupid on me, and so I was able to save some of the footage, and I'm going to share that with you right now. So enjoy what I do have, and we'll catch up at the end. Hi, Ann.
Hello.
So what do you think about the construction so far on your house today when we take a look at it, how it's doing?
They're already putting the floor in the second floor. Am I right? And then...
Yeah, they just finished. It looks like from the drone footage, it looks like they have concrete up there. It looks like the floor is done.
Yeah.
And they're removing piping, it looks like, out of the middle part. So that's good.
Inside?
Yeah, inside.
They're already removing the pipe?
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
they're
it's
moving.
done the kuan.
So once they start doing that, they'll start doing the top floor, the walls.
Yeah, the walls, and then some guys, they will finishing the outside.
Yeah, we need to ask them about placement of outlets. So we'll do that too, because I want an outlet outside, and a water. You want a water spigot here on the corner of the house, outside, so you can water your plants.
Yeah.
And we were told by our neighbor that that's something you have to request. You can't. They won't just do it.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's our little bit update on the house. Keep posted, because we're going to be putting some more videos up probably weekly on how they're doing. As you can tell, they're not moving. They're moving real fast, but there's not a lot that we can see as in difference as far as what's going on. But we will do weekly updates on it with more drone footage, so you get a better view of the upstairs and the whole area of the build. So that's going to be it for this video. I'm Kelly.
I'm Ann.
We'll see you next Philippine Venture.
Bye bye. Please subscribe.
Thank you. Please.
Thank you.